Hi, I'm showing you this Crave USA Pixel 6a case. So you can see this is a pink in color and comes in a nice pack. So this is a pink color case with the under like is a cushion with a diamond cutting and nice design. This is soft and hard from outside. I'm just fitting in my 6a in it, and you can see like it fits really well. All the corners and bumps are covered, the buttons are working fine, no issue with that cut. Here also you can see the charging port and the speakers. Charging is real nice, no issue with the cable. It starts charging and you can see that it's working fine. Basically, like, it's a really nice case for protection for your 6a, and you can see like the curve is good.